So far I got this one done. Pre-drill holes, man. Makes it easy. So one cut out. See, now I can use this extra side if I want to put something on that, you know? Yes, sir. Second one cut. Got that extra piece, you know? You can put some little nice little stuff. Can make a sword or something, you know? I can make a gun, whatever. That's what it looking like so far, cuz, man. Stayed up till 1 to do this shit, bro. This one should probably be done tomorrow. Then I'm gonna start on the other one the next day, and then that one should be done in about 2-3 days, maybe. Yes, sir. Done with this one, bruh. Got the first one going right now, bruh.